Hi, my name is Richard Brown, and if you're new to the channel, I want you to subscribe and I want you to share the video up with your friends. Because you don't know, the only way the video can get a whole heap of views and reach a lot of people is if you share the video up and if you subscribe, comment, and do all the things them when necessary for the video reach its fullest potential.
If you never know, now you know. We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you. So if you're in need of a professional video or photographer, reach out to us, man. Our number is on the screen, and you'll have a chance to meet some of your favorite actor and actresses at your event. So reach out to us, man, Richard Brown Films, and we can provide professional photo and videography service for you.
When you fold the t-shirt, then you fold them like this. You tuck the sleeves, right? So them look organized. Simple. Follow on the let me see. As a matter of fact, oh, your sister not come back yet?
Also, when she got Auntie Gigi sit
Let her chew. And then Auntie Gigi go down there lecture, you know. Good. Me not even did that, but put it in a pile. So, how's school?
school alright.
Sure? Okay.
So like a machine now work. Can you show me how to wash my uniform because Kelsey did that teach me and she too rough, she do it too fast and can't understand.
Alright, so you see, your uniform, we have to go buy one softer brush for your uniform, right? So when you brush it, it not have the little furry thing them on it. But just make sure you get the collar and the armpit. Alright, so like your waist and your pocket, don't forget them places. Just take your time and you will figure it out. But when your sister come back, we're going to get one softer brush. Because the brush in the bathroom can't use. Alright?
Yeah.
And when you wash your socks or something, them use your hand. You use the brush on them.
Lisa! My girl, why can't you bleach out the whole of my underpants and my sit on the line down there? Eh?
Well, have neighbors, you know why you talk so loud?
What mean why me a talk so loud? Me a pass a while ago, me see all of my underpants and my brand new underpants and all of them bleach out, girl. A brand new underpants and me buy, you. Me get two of them from foreign.
What you expect? What you expect would happen?
What mean what me expect?
I be a shit stain in a them.
She saying that them say never know if you wash nappy. Eh? You bleach out the whole of my underpants and me can't read them they go now.
Listen, you see, no come to me with the foolishness here. Don't come to me with the foolishness. Because if you never did leave stain in them, then would the bleach out in the first place and come in and shout and raise a voice like you know.
Who know if you come to you with foolishness? My girl, me tell you to talk to you, no man. If you can't wash my clothes, them leave it alone.
Tia, give me a minute.
Tia, little girl, just stay away there. Me a chat to you. And when me a chat to you...
This in front of Pitney now. What do you? Eh?
Lisa, you come like a stress you want to come stress me out, you know, man.
If you wash your clothes, if you make you have clean clothes to put by your back every day, I stress. Alright.
Let me tell you this. This what the day, so. Me know you feel like I say, you can rank with me. And that me I tell you, you know. Me know why you try to feel like you can disrespect me in front of me pitting them, you know. And when me I talk to you, go on like say no one hear, you know. You hear me I tell you? When me say for do
No,
something.
Daddy, no, what you do?
Come out here.
Do not lick the pitney.
Fight him out. Fight.
Tia, why you out here so?
Daddy just done beat Lisa a while ago and me can't stay in her house.
Why that Lisa?
To her in her room and follow for clothes and he come in and talk about him underpants and my bleach out.
Underpants bleach out, so that's why I beat Lisa?
Yeah. Me get up now and time saying can't do that and he lick me out her belt. So me just come out to suck on tongue because me can't come in her house.
So you up me your mouth and tell daddy saying can't do that when you know how him stay. Why you never just sit down and watch?
But when I beat Lisa for no make
That
no
no
sense.
concern you. See you make him hurt you. You know him stay, you know saying no sympathy for nobody. I don't know when him go change, you know, because Lisa should not even have washed her underpants them. I don't know when that man gonna change, you know. Come on.
Okay. Hush, man. Hush. Yes, look. Me never want to listen, man. But that's because how you talk to me and then cake it.
Don't touch it. Me and nurse, we can fix it myself. Why you be ungrateful? Why you do this? You're not setting an example for your daughter them. No matter how much me try to make this work and try to make it be at peace, you still have to find some reason to make things get violent.
You know,
Don't touch me.
you know I'm not like this. But I just do sometimes you just deal with me away and
Oh, me deal with your way. Me choose you over my own life. Me choose your daughter them over everything and I love them dearly. Oh, me cheat you?
sometimes you know give me nothing and
Sometimes you get upset for no reason. We'll never understand that.
but look at me, babes. I love you, you know.
This is not love.
Tell me what this.
Me no know. I don't know. I lose my job because of you. I meet you at the rehab. And because me show you all kind of love and affection, people find out about it and me lose my job over that. I'm there so we there go and try and I this are the payback.
Babes,
You think me have to there so me not have to there so you know? I'm there so I try with them your daughter them. I create a bond with the daughter them and you not give me a chance to love them in peace. All you do is make me miserable.
I'm sorry, man. Me promise. Me I go do better.
This is not the first time, but you better make this be the last.
But babes, you know say me get upset. I just well, you know me say me not love you.
Look at my face. I mean, if I go down and my sister go collect something.
Just tell her say I slide in the bathroom and drop. Not to make them in our business. I love you, you know. I love you. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Oh, God.
How want your face?
Oh, this?
Yes.
Oh, last night I sleep and look at my face tonight, on the face base. But it I get better because it swell up more.
No, Lisa, that will not drop. You drop in a bathroom and lick up your face. Come on, tell me truth, me and your sister.
Well, and me and Maxie have a disagreement and it kind of escalate. And he lick me.
Maxie lick you?
Yeah, but I first time say me forgive him.
Sister, you know, say me love you and me no back them the kind of slackness there. Maxie should have never put his hand in your face. So what you tell him, say, what you do? After he lick you, what you do?
Well, me did tell him say me I left and him apologize and me decide to me I give him one chance because you know the pit them
Yeah, me understand that, but imagine you work at the place, you get your nice work at the rehabilitation center. You go there with Maxi, where I did one patient there, and at this Maxi I do to you, me no back it. Me have to go see him and have a word with him. Me no like that. Honestly to God, me no like it. It can lead to death. Do you know licking your face what much amount of things that can cause to your face? You see you look bad?
Well, me no know. I just really the pity them me I do this for, you know.
If picnic them will live. If picnic them will live. Me have to go see Maxi and talk to him about him, your big sister.
No, your mother, you can't do that. Listen, I mean, it a go look like me a carry business a road, and that go cause more problem.
Alright, so what you are gonna do about it?
Like me say, I just really fit Tia and Kelsey, you know. Me nah do this for Maxi. Cause you know me love them and I might pity them, but me love them.
You know say me no like them type of thing there. You know that, don't? But if you say me not to say nothing to him, so what you gonna do to prevent this? What you gonna do?
Me no know how, me no know what to say because no matter how much me try to be at peace with him and talk to him calmly, he still get irritated and he still cuss and act like he don't have no sense.
So what caused all of this all of a sudden?
Me no know him, as I know him a jinx here,
Jesus. We have to do something about this. I just say you don't want me to get involved because I don't want him to beat you more. So but we have to have some way to get rid of this. We have to do something about it.
Even if I say me and go let it them I go suffer, you know, because you know treat them good. Right now, I know say Kelsey drain. All he do is raise his voice on them and lick them and do them some way.
But why you stay?
Because of them, I know say without me, them I go suffer.
Well, take them all left.
Me, well, like me, I say me and him iron it out and me kind of forgive him and me believe say it not gonna happen again. About that, I come for borrow money because he must say he use up the money when they have and Kelsey they want to go to school tomorrow. I'm kind of broke.
Alright then.
I mean, if I could have let more 5 grand.
No problem, sister. Me go learn him.
Alright.
Alright, breathe in slowly. Exhale. Okay. Do that one more time for me, please. Exhale. Alright. Okay, Maxwell. Right. So I'm seeing here your heartbeat seems to be irregular.
Irregular, what do you mean, doc?
Alright, so it doesn't have the regular beat. It seems to be beating faster, like your heart is under a lot more pressure. So I'm going to need for you to conduct some more tests other than the ones that you have done before.
So I think could have caused that, doc?
Honestly, it can be various reasons, you know. Do you drink or smoke?
I mean, drink a little bit. I don't really drink a lot, just a little bit.
What you consider a little bit? How frequently?
Just a little drop.
Right. So how many times per day would you say that you drink or engage in drinking for the week?
Sometimes I don't really remember, you know, because the cup just always in my hand, so sometimes not more.
It's always in your hand. So how many glasses would you say? How many cups would you say that you have per day?
I same cup, man. One cup.
1 cup per day.
Yeah, 1 cup.
So what about the smoking?
Smoking.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Just probably like one spliff.
Because based on your heart rate, you know, things seem a bit alarming. So I'm a bit concerned, right? So even though we had conducted several tests before, they were inconclusive. So we'll need to conduct some more to find out what it is, because clearly something is off with your body. But the drinking and the smoking will not help that, right? So we need to do several tests to find out what could be the root cause of what is going on with your body right now.
So about how much money it will cost me to do all of that, you know?
Honestly, health is wealth, so you shouldn't be so concerned about what it is going to cost, but more a matter of finding out in time so that we can actively do something to fix it if there is something seriously wrong. Right? All right, so I'm going to give you two of these, as well as these to take in the morning with a meal, right? Every morning, take one, and this one is for night, okay?
Alright.
Also going to recommend you take these to help, okay? So it's just supplements to assist your body in giving you additional nourishment.
Don't forget to tell it to you, Doc.
What's that?
I go to the bathroom. I notice when I go to the bathroom and I cough, it cold come up with a little bit of blood.
A little bit of blood.
Yeah. But I wonder if I the food when I eat cause
I
that.
don't think that would be as a result of the food. Do you feel pain when you cough up the blood?
Yeah, just a little bit of pain.
That's absolutely not normal. That's not normal, Maxwell. All right. So I feel like we're going to have to take a few more things into consideration, given that you mentioned that, because that's important information. You shouldn't take things like that lightly, like coughing up blood or any signs of blood coming from anywhere in the body that it's not usually supposed to be coming from is very alarming, right? Was there any form of like chest injury recently or anything like that, or you're just randomly coughing up blood?
No, Doc. I notice like when me just sleep some of the time, make me have a little panic attack on themselves.
Okay.
And then I just recently got you when time I go home, I not really see no food at the yard, so sometimes me just go on my bed and something.
So
So
you need to take better care of yourself. Eating and giving your body the proper nutrients is extremely important. The drinking and the smoking is not helping you, especially after you have other issues. So the drinking and smoking can contribute towards the way that your body is feeling, and then you're not eating and properly on top of that.
alright, Doc. So when we can come back?
I recommend that you come back on Thursday so that we can conduct some more tests and see what is wrong. However,
Thursday?
yes, on Thursday, as soon as
Me did
Thursday,
have me
because it
did
is extremely important.
me did have my uncle funeral come up when I didn't want to go in.
What time is the funeral?
It's about 11 o'clock.
Come early in the morning. Come here 8 o'clock. We open that early.
8 o'clock.
Yes, come here 8 o'clock. Wear the funeral clothes, whatever it is you have to do. This is extremely important. And especially if you're going to take the supplements and the pill that I give you, make sure you eat.
Alright, Doc.
You need to have a meal before you take them in the morning.
Alright, thank you, Doc.
No problem. And hope to see you on Thursday morning.
Yeah, man, definitely.
And before you go, remember no smoking and drinking while you're taking the pills, or the pills will not work and they will not help you. All right?
Alright, Doc. I don't really like take pills too, but I'm going to try my best.
Because we don't know exactly what is wrong with you based on the results that we have gotten so far. So you need to do several more tests for us to know what it is. So just please ease up on the drinking, the smoking, take the pills, come back. Just listen to my recommendations and come back, Maxwell. Don't take it lightly.
Alright, Doc. Thank you.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Alright, so me just pay the.
Yes, you can pay Shanice up by the front.
Alright, thanks.
Lord Jesus, no one believe left. Kelsey,
Yes, Lisa?
come here. So me that cook some bully beef and rice, right?
Yeah.
But at the salon and this can shave you for him. So you have to go to your father on the road and tell him, so I want next bully beef or one big mackerel, because this can do.
You know what do that thing, okay? You know him stay already.
Just call him one side and talk to him. You don't have to go to him in front of everybody.
Alright. I'll make tea for you.
It won't in a ground day. Because the man thinks it won't come for money. Just go to him and wait, tell him, say, I want buy one mackerel, one bully beef, and hurry up and come back.
Alright.
You already know what to find him.
Alright.
Why not? He's about five drinking.
Drinking. Now cup you have in your hand. You sound like doctor really wife. You can't tell me about me the far from my kitchen.
Brother, are you sick and got a doctor, you know? And doctor show you say if you eat up for drinking, nothing wrong with that, you know?
Why? But that's foolishness, man. No rum you there drink too. Hmm? No rum you there drink. And we there so I easy yourself.
See your daughter come to you there.
Leave on hear about all she too, you know. You know why they not gonna go find one man.
Daddy,
How?
Lisa sent me to you
So what Lisa sent it to me for?
because she has said she want to cook some food, but if nothing no there. So she said if you can buy some, give me if you bring down for cook.
What I mean? We can't take Lisa style, you know. We can't take Lisa style no man. Why am I send it to me for? You don't know what to do. You can't go shop.
Daddy, we not have no money or nothing no down there for eat.
Yo. Go on a bev shop. Tell Bev 7 to give you 3 pounds of rice or flour, whatever you want, and chicken. You hear me I tell you? And next time you see me I come here, you see me I drink rum. Don't come and disturb me. You hear me I tell you? If you see me I drink rum, go along back where you come from, man. Me don't know what kind of emergency you feel like. I'm tell you. Me tell you, if you tell you say you better go find one man, you know. Me can't take them little picnic.
Even Miss Bev,
Evelyn,
Daddy sent me to you.
I hope my money went home him give you if you come give me.
No, he said if you could have trust me 3 pound of chicken if you have flour or rice. Anyone you choose.
Because girl, are your father send it to me?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, him send me.
Me not believe you no. Cause you know why me not believe you?
Why?
Because your father who want bill in my shop over 5 months now. $10,000 in want me. And all knowing that if you carry 1,000 come give me out of the 10. And he's have the heart. Still a send you come to me. For rice, flour, chicken back or chicken. Which one you say?
Chicken.
Chicken. Make you and do it.
Please, Miss Bev.
Look here. If I did you alone, I give it to you because you're small. I know you may be hungry. But let me tell you something. I not true you make me not give you. I don't have nothing against you. Me wish me could have give you. But the amount of money when you hold in my shop, it could have buy me some more stuff put on my shelf. And I know him alone owe me. Look on the little shop we me have. Can you imagine? If each person owe me 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 5,000, 3,000, some two and some one, the shop I got brought down. Them a lock down the shop for me. Then I wait till me lock it down. After my own will and wish. Them a lock down the shop for me. Especially your father. Me tired for sorry for him. He come on my shop too much time. And me they say me nah give, and still give, and still way bill catch 10,000. Little girl, I know your fault. And I know your problem, but he send it to me. But me they give them a message of him. Right now, me owe me light bill. You understand? Me owe me light bill. Me fridge broke down which morning yesterday, day before yesterday. My fridge broke down. Me have to pay $7,000 to fix the fridge to keep the meat them in there. Because I don't want my meat them spoil after I spend too much money. You understand? Tell your father, say, do not send it to me if he come to me himself. A matter of fact, he not go come even if you tell him. You know why? He know say he owe me and he don't want to pay me. Him trust and don't pay. And me not in that. You see that community here? Me realize say people them love trust people things because they want to see you go down and they don't want to see you rise. But I know say go. See Christmas a come there and my shop need to stack up. Tell your father say me want my money. And if he don't give me my money, him not go like it. Maybe me have to go take police come out on the yard.
But Miss Bev, just help me no please. If you not help me and my sister and my stepmother gone dead for hungry. Daddy say my pay your weekend.
If you want little food, I don't know if you eat from people, you know. If you want little food, they can make you eat some food before you go back down your yard. But guess what? Me sorry for your stepmother and your sister. Let me tell you something. You don't understand, you know. Things are very expensive. I cannot do this no more. Your father too terrible. In the overdo it. Me can't take it no more. Your father owe me too much money. I me need it from him for help go buy back some grocery put in my shop. In the take this like I want habit. I habit fi come and fi me shop conscious 3 say me will give me. Look here, tell your father say me say, don't send back conscious nothing more on me shop unless he have me money fi come give me. If I have me 8,000 out of the 10,000 fi give me, then he can come back conscious again. But me sorry. Me know say you must be hungry, but me can't do it. Me can't do it.
Alright.
I rather weeble catchy flower more than give your papa or me trust somebody else. Your father stay too bad. He love take people things and not like pay money. Me can't bother ya man.
How you come back to me for?
I did me go to Miss Bev, and she has said she can't get nothing because over 10,000 a war.
Oh, you sit down man, they want thief in man. You know, so me feel like sit down man, they apartment bill. Me feel like sit down man, they apartment bill, you know. Yo. Grown at Gigi. And tell Gigi say me say fi give a little flour or rice or something.
I didn't tired,
Little girl, what you mean say you're tired? Eh? Is he there grown there or dead for hungry, you know? But make sure so when me come in, food in the house. Here? What me say?
You go to Auntie Gigi.
And what you still do yourself? Little girl, move first and mind me. Disrespect you now. One player.
Auntie Gigi. Auntie.
Who that now?
Your niece.
Oh,
Nothing.
alright.
Yeah. Daddy sent me to you.
Daddy send you to me.
Yeah.
Me and him not plan peace alliance, so why would I want to send you to me now? You have trouble in catching it himself, you know?
Lisa, up a yard and she said she did want to cook some food, but when she go in her cupboard, she realized say only one corned beef in there. So she has said to me, say, the one corned beef can't do, so I must go to daddy. But you know, say, him is a man, he never there and he always there around bar. So when me left out her yard, now forgot him. I go on him and tell him what Lisa said to tell him. He start to cuss and I say, no, this and that. So anyways, he send me run a Miss Bev. Me go run a Miss Bev. Miss Bev I say can't give him nothing more on the bill when he have because over $10,000 in war. Anyways, me go back to him. He say, if you come to you to tell us if you give me something to cook. So that's why I come. Because me hungry. I want something to eat. Auntie, I want something to eat too.
So, you don't eat nothing from morning?
No. Every time we tell daddy say we want some feet him always attack, so me could not go look man and come out and place and
Your
something.
father tell you that?
Yeah, and
See if you go look, man.
Yes, and you know say Tia just 15. And then me I bigger one, me I 17 and he always a tell about go on out to man and allow me alone. All up there la beat Lisa right in front of we. Me no know, and I say auntie me no comfortable for me there. And I say to God.
Your father sick in the head. Him is a narcissist. You hear me, sir? Because when him do all of them something, then he act like him are the victim. I same thing he used to do to your mother. It's same thing he...
So auntie, why reason make mommy left? Because every time we ask daddy, he tell some foolish story. What really happened?
Your mother have to run like a thief in the night. You hear me, sir?
So him always
You see, like, me always a quote Bible scripture to you know. When in the Bible, when the part say, Jesus I go come back like thief in the night. You know when thief in the night? Eh? You know what that mean? When you least expect. So your mother have to put her foot in her hand and run away from your father. Your father that kill her with beating.
And when him beat her, him ball. And I tell her, I say, she I cast it. You ever hear nothing like that before yet in your life?
Me don't, boy, I don't know what to believe because you always talk about a man who me run a gun with a foreign.
Your father a liar. Your father a liar and him a wicked. You hear me tell you? The man drink. He drink and drunk and piss up all the road. You never know. You don't know that? Me help your mother, you see? And we save up some money and put him in rehab. And when we put the man in a rehab, you know when do? He friend up a nurse in there because he full of sweet mouth. He friend up a nurse and so till he start to sleep around with the nurse. The nurse losing job because of him. Let him out before time. You know tell them the story there.
Never hear them.
Listen to me. Your father, you see? I told me not want him lick you because he might go and lick you. And me would have to go damage him.
So, auntie.
Listen to me, man. The man friend up the nurse and the nurse losing job because of him. You hear me tell you? And you know what she do? And not even she did she two of them did run the down. Alisa and Alisa, she name.
Alisa?
And what Lisa do? And Neil she do?
Yeah, Lisa usually do nails.
She stop now?
Yeah, she stop.
And she same one. That same Lisa there.
Really?
That same Lisa she I cast a whole heap of things we are going. So anything she get, she fi take it. Some woman feel say if man no beat them, man no love them. You never know. Them sick enough for them head too. You never know. So no make him tell you nothing negative about your mother. Him are the problem.
Something make you never take we.
Me couldn't take you no. Oh, me fi take you no. You know, sister 5 pitney me have and 10 grand picking me have around me. 5 and 10 and 15, you know. And you and Tia with that 17. Oh, Jesus, have mercy, God. Me couldn't manage. Me not even have enough space. I blow up bed so my pitney ma fi asleep on in there. You hear me? I tell you, me not have no space. So if bed blow up at night time, I pull it down at morning time. You hear me?
Yeah.
Bed blow up at night time, pull it down at morning time. Me not have no space. You understand? So look here, me have little rice so me can give. You want it?
Yeah, yeah.
And you know me did cook some shrimp Alfredo, but for your father not say my Adventist.
Just give me rice. Me I make Lisa just cook that to the can be for me and her tea.
Alright. I look a bit though. And I just want like a handful me I give because me don't want him to eat none out of it.
Alright.
Because if him money I for just go run bar, enough for it out of my hand. I mean, know if your hand swell rice. So I just a little bit of rice I may have. Look here. Make sure you say you cook it because your hand swell rice.
Alright.
And cook it for your auntie. Hear me?
Alright.
Lisa don't have to get none. Hear?
Yeah.
You hear me tell you? Me not provide for Lisa and her man. Here, because Lisa are the reason why your father stay like that. If he never make him come out of rehab before time, he would have alright. So Lisa know everything about your father. You hear? So when you see my beat her, don't sorry for her because she knows her so she tan. Some woman love beating. Just
Lisa.
take time and go and love you here?
Yeah, love you.
Alright.
Lisa.
What that?
Well, me go to daddy and he must say no money upon him, so he must send me down a Miss Bev shop. And Miss Bev say he can't put no more upon him bill because he owe over $10,000.
$10,000?
Mm-hmm. So me go back to him and him a cuss and I say, Miss Baby fi go and send. He send me down and Auntie Gigi say, if you go borrow some rice send him for now. But at least she give me.
Even if I rice with you want, that could share.
He must say, if you make sure you wash it with your hands so you can stretch. and swell. So you can share for everybody.
Your father has something else, you know? Believe me, I tell you, say, your father has something else.
That's why I tell you say I never want to go to him because he might cuss and a shame in front of everybody.
Him have to go cuss today. You see, we're going to cook the bully beef for the cherry and we'll go sit down and eat it. I don't care when he wants when he come in later.
But he might go cuss.
So when you want to stay hungry until he come?
But we can't at least have one spoon of rice see him.
Me I tell you, enough rice is there, but the bully beef cannot stretch.
Just cook your rice and tell him say you never have nothing to cook with it.
So that no worse than we cooking the bully beef and sit down and eat it.
And he say if he never come back and he not get none to eat, a problem. So me no want a problem. Just take him.
That's when I'm really supposed to do this. Like,
No, churchy.
when you supposed to do this? Sometimes still I'm wonder what me I do with my life, you know. What could be outcome I want, you know.
No, me I want that same thing too.
Lisa, you see my belt?
No.
No, no, see my belt?
Which part you go?
So come up, man.
You can sit down because I want to talk to you.
Lisa, I don't have time for foolishness, you know. What you want to talk to me about?
What do you mean by you don't have time for foolishness? I'm not trying to waste your time.
Lisa, man, I don't talk about this already, so the people in there say you can't talk to me in front of them, want to?
Well, I'm not trying to talk to you about nothing where them can't hear. It concern them. You realize there's no food in the house?
I mean no food in another house.
What do you mean by what I mean? You don't live here. You don't live here.
Me live about me holiday, so me expect food for day now.
What? You give me money? You not give me money, you don't want me work. The people them need to eat. Where you think I'm supposed to get money from to feed them?
Lisa.
Come on, be reasonable. What am I supposed to get money from to feed them?
So Lisa, this a stop me for?
Yes, because them
Eh?
a complain to me and I tell me say them hungry and you are walk. Where you go? Where you go?
Lisa, listen to me. I say my soul come, now go up on the road, my soul come. And when you talk to me, stop talk to me like you want come to you. You can't talk to me against the pit name, man. You come talk to me. You talk to me with respect.
Maxi, this is the second time I put your hand for my front type pitney them. And I might pitney them, you know. A year pitney them. I mean, I tell you again, say, me them a complain to, and me them a ball to, and I say they're hungry. Come let me care about them more than how you even care.
So when you sound so? Eh?
Because I can't do this no more. I can't do this no more.
What mean I can't do this?
If you not do better, me have to go left. Me alone.
How me have to go left? Yo, I'm tell you this. You swear left who? You feel like you can't left me? Hey, go for me belt, you come give me. Because you feel like so, go rank yourself with me. When me talk to you, you can hear. You hear me I tell you?
Yes.
You hear me I tell you?
Yes.
What me say? When me chat to you, you can hear. You hear me I tell you? So when me talk to you, me know why you give me no back and sign of this. You hear me I tell you? You hear? Me so come. I'll find something to give them to eat before I come back to her. That me I tell you, here. To kick down your toe. You come rank with me? Oh.
You alright?
I'm alright.
You sure?
You could help me.
Me? I mean, you want him to thumb down? Lisa them they lick them way in game. No normal man now lick no woman so. Me now no weapon if you take them they lick there. I'm sorry but I couldn't help you. I hope you're alright though.
You just pray
Daddy,
to
me
God to
not
decide
find
last time because I don't know how much longer I can bear this for.
He gone. Where you gone to bed for?
Hey, Mr. Williams, give me a drink of rum there. Give me some Pepsi. When me done, me go want 6 more. Yeah, man. Why I don't like what the government are going with. Give me one more there. All right, thank you. Yes, sir. Look more there, Mr. Great. So, how look, sir? You don't know something I come in.
Why if you are coming in?
From I go road and come back, man, you know, say a 6 months. So, I'm here. So,
Don't touch me, don't touch me.
What do you mean, don't touch her?
Me nah do this again with the people them out there, so.
We in our room, don't it?
It don't matter, it no matter.
Man, no, you talk to me. How you talk to some?
Don't put your hand on me, I'm tired of you.
I go out the road and come back and you still have on your clothes. Eh? You don't know, say a 6 months.
Well, me not have none to give.
So, I mean, I don't have none to give. So, who me forget it from?
Don't have nothing for them. Just like when you spend one day upon the road, everything that upon the road you want, apparently.
I know you talk to me. You know.
How me I talk to you? You think me a pitney?
So what me you do a road when I come in here, is either you have food in here for give me or a little sex.
After everything you do to me, you really come in here and expect me to have sex with you?
So who me supposed to have sex with?
I don't know. You put your hand on me and feed me, you deal with me like me a pitney.
Listen to me, take time talk to me, man. I don't make me get mad. Nobody with the foolishness tonight. Me tired for you look for the woman them a pass and me and now me have my woman here and me can't get no sex. Eh? What you expect me to do?
What you expect me to do?
Listen to me, man, just take off your clothes and give me a little sex and make me go on.
When you start by clothes with my back, you can tell me what to take off and what to put.
Man, no you talk to me, you know, girl. You think something I'm to you? You think me have... Yo.
What did I tell Daddy said?
That no have nothing to do with me. No worry about what your father have said. Worry about what we're not gonna eat.
So you can't stay, please.
But I love to stay because I really care about you and I don't know why me there is so long and I bear all of them set me about.
So Lisa, what we are gonna do? What we are gonna eat? Even if we are gonna suffer, you know?
Well, like what me tell your sister say, I don't know the reason why me there is so long. I know the reason why me have bear this so long. Me just can't do it no more. Me sorry, but me can't say it no more. Like me young and my future still bright. What me I do right here is I bear all of them things here. Your father no care no. You really no care no matter how much try to elevate this man in a business. He no care. I wish me could have stayed longer. Me can check up on and go no money when I have it, but for stay here so, me can't do it no more.
Then my go blame me, say I will make you live.
Him can't, well, I can't say he can't blame money, you know, but I know he go call me. I go explain the situation to him. I know uno no cause none of this. I uno no deserve none of this either. Why? I don't know what else to do, yeah. But like me say, me still gotta check phone and see me. Just can't stay here so no longer. I'm loving with everything in me, but me can't do this no more. I'm gonna give me one hug before I'm going. The one thing I'm begging you to do for me, you know, go and live loving like how you always live. No make no father come between you know. And listen to your bigger sister, because I know she care for you. No, it's all for
All we can say, we just want to thank you for everything we do because you've been like a mother to us. And we really appreciate that. And we wish anywhere you go today, anywhere you go to the world, everything just get brighter for you. Thank you, I mean.
I'm loving you. Just take care of your sister for me.
Yeah.
And like me tell her, don't make your father come between you, no matter what.
Love you too.
Love you.
Later.
Even sis.
Evening. Oh, yeah, going back.
Me sorry, me never get to call her before I come, but me really in a one situation.
Me can't say, you really know what situation because me see you come with big bag. So me know what that mean.
Well, me decide to me go left Maxi. Because me can't take it no more.
Well, honestly to God, me I tell you the truth. You come, me take you in. When me look, and Maxi that I come. And me can't take it drama. Honestly to God, me can't take it drama because you know how for me pick the pattern. We can't take it drama, but one house the right behind me, this or rent. We can't ask the people them feel. Me go give you $10,000, you see? I go under my place. And if I more money, you call me. Or me can't check you or you can't check me back and me will give you a rest. So this is 10,000, so what you can do with it.
Alright. I really appreciate this because I never offered you this. This really mean a lot to me.
You know, so you're my sister and I love you and I just want to see what is best for you. So here what you do, hurry up and go on before Maxi come.
Which part exactly yours?
You know, the opposite of what man, which part may always go.
In a lane?
Right in our lane. The first house on the left.
So the side of Marcia, this so?
Here, the same house there.
Oh, somebody didn't tell me about it.
Yeah, so just go on before Maxi come back and you know how we stay.
Alright,
alright, sister.
Can't bother anymore. Lisa, come take off your clothes, cause I don't know. Come on, take off your clothes. Hold on, Lisa.
Why?
Look a girl, where Lisa there?
Daddy.
Yeah?
I don't know.
What I hear, where's it?
I don't know what she did.
What do you mean I don't know where she is? Huh? Me not just left Lisa here a while ago.
Daddy, we don't know where Lisa there. We just in her room as Lisa pack up her stuff, them say she a leave.
I mean Lisa pack up and stuff, the man leave. Only 200 things I saw make Lisa come out here. Eh?
So Daddy, what you expect me to do?
What do you mean what you expect me to do? Find me and come tell me say Lisa go away. You not idiot?
Daddy, me not expect what you expect we to do. Lisa said she cannot take this anymore, so she said she'll leave.
Take what anymore? You know say I want to make Lisa go away?
No, Daddy.
What do you mean no, daddy? No, daddy. Listen to me, don't make me have to get mad in here, you know. Where Lisa gone? You not telling me where he gone?
No. Daddy, she gone. What hard not that we accept says Lisa just gone?
So you 200 slang you saw and make Lisa come out of the house and not say nothing to me? Eh? You know something I like, you know? Because from no there, it's like me and Lisa can't live good. Eh? All you know, it's so funny, one thing, me take some liquid down, you know, man. Is it from the mother left, you think the mother like, you know, man? Eh? And me I feel struggling now.
Daddy, we're sorry.
Sorry. You better go find Lisa and Karen back coming here. You can't sleep in her tonight. That me I tell you.
Daddy, when me I go find this?
Hey, little girl. Get up out of your city and go and go find Lisa and come back. Get up and go find Lisa. Don't ramp with me. So what do they have? She on the phone. Eh? I mean, Femi Lisa come out here, gone. Lily girl, come out here and go find Lisa and come. What me say for no?
Daddy, sorry now.
Take on the back side and come out here. You don't feel like something around, eh?
Who you go find this? I mean, she not even tell which one. Let me try if you call her. I can't find her number. Hi, Auntie Lisa.
Hi.
You can't tell me which part you're there, please?
What?
You can't tell me which part you're there?
Why you want to come with me?
Just tell me which part you're there, please.
Me know me not get to tell which one of them. You can't tell which one of them. What is the matter?
Just please, my daddy, they are a beauty because he must say how you make with him, I will make you left. Please just tell me which part you're there.
Listen, me tell me talk to you already and me sister only day here and see what me did that undergo with him no father. Me can't tell you no which one me there. Me can't help you no with that. I'm sorry for all of this, but me really can't tell you no.
Alright. We are going to tell daddy say we can't go back in there. We going to tell him say we don't know which part she there.
You have reached The voicemail box of 1.
Where she there? Huh?
Yeah.
Where she there?
Daddy, we don't know. We don't try to call her, but she said she can't tell which part she there.
What do you mean I try to call her? So no, where she telling us she gone?
She not tell you, Daddy.
Eh?
She not tell me.
Little girl, you know say you want a real idiot. You want a real idiot, you know? And you two, you know, you're just a follower, you know? Oh, no, if you make Lisa come out of your house. Eh? Why you never come out here? Why you two never just come out here and go find some man or something? Eh? You know say I love Lisa. Eh? You tell them they say look for me.
Daddy say you expect if you do.
You not sleeping tonight, you know? Make sure I tell you that. You they say look for me. You better come out here. What me say for you? What's the thing say me I run no joke. What's the feel like I say me? No joke, you don't. Eh? Yo, come out here. What I'm doing? Yo, I'm telling this. Oh no, I go sleep underneath the cellar
Daddy,
until.
no.
Daddy, please what? What let me talk? That me I tell you. Oh no, not sleeping as tonight.
Please, Daddy, we can't sleep down there, say no.
You never know that before you make Lisa come out here.
Daddy, I know way.
Eh?
Please.
Please what? For sure she'll lock me door to you. I don't feel like I say me and run down joke with them. I don't want no nice down there.
Come, everything will go alright. Come. They here for everything will go alright. We're gonna make sure say everything alright. Come. Just no worry yourself.
Lisa! Lisa! Dr. Lisa! Lisa, come out here to me, man.
What the hell you come on me yard going do?
Where Lisa there?
Where you ask for Lisa for?
Tell Lisa say me call her if come out here to me now and make me have to get mad around here.
You know, come film now.
Listen to me, man. You see you, Sash. A long time I know say you don't like me, you know. Long time I know say you don't like me. And you make me and Lisa live so bad.
Look on, you look on the likes of you. You say you look. What you are doing, me nice sister. Me nice sister do with you.
Listen to me, man. You feel love your sister business alone.
My sister. Who is you?
What you mean?
Who is you?
I'm in near Maxi.
I don't care if you want near Max. You couldn't be even the Prime Minister. Come out of me yard.
Tell Sash now make me come in there for
Come
you.
out, go away.
Lisa, Sash, just give me way and make me pass. Lisa!
Hey, Lisa, where's Lisa? You see Lisa in there?
You know.
Listen to me, man. All the liquor me see Lisa getting in her face that day, you know. I me no want to come mash you up, you know.
So that Lisa come here and come tell you my business?
Then me a idiot, Lisa can't come tell me say she drop in a bathroom and you liquor in her face.
She drop is a little reflex. You know Lisa clumsy.
Hey, you lick me sister. And my sister look like him afraid of you, but the last time you put your hand on him. What you do? What you going to do?
Yo, just give me way, Lisa.
Yo, boy, come out of me yard.
Sash, no make me have nothing.
Alright, move. Alright.
Don't make me have nothing, Sash. Remember, say me know you whole of your foot.
Hey, boy, I want to see you for you. Come out of me yard. Hey, boy. You know who you deal with? You're lucky some baby fan on there today. Come back in here now. Come back if you think your name Maxi or whatever you want name. Come back in here.
Daddy, you know say I love you?
I mean you love me.
I love you.
Yeah? I love you. You know what I love do? Woman that run with gone with man. When me didn't love your mother never love me back. So where love go? Where you come tell me about love? Eh? What is love? What you know about love?
But at least you know said your picnic they still love you even though mommy gone.
Just stay and do a go along when you about that me I tell you come tell me about love. You can't come up. Well, I'm tell you man.
You have no money for that school.
I mean I don't have no money for go to school. Me don't have no money, you know. I 700 me have in my name. And your sister forget money for go to school too. So all this 100 there. And this for your sister when time see there 500 alone me have me.
So you couldn't give me 500 I share for 12 weeks.
Little girl, you're so greedy. Eh? Oh, you're so greedy. You want $500? And what me
12 weeks.
and what me do? How you expect me to survive? Eh? You know how rent pay? You know how bills pay now? Me tell you say I want $700 me have in my name and me I give you $100. You come tell me boy you want $500? Eh? Look girl, best thing you do you move for in front of me before me get mad in here. And nobody come test me faith. If I want money, you go find your mama. A scammer man, your mama run there gone with.
What happened to you?
A while ago, I go to daddy and I tell him so I don't have no lunch money and I tell him so I love him. Anyway, I hungry, me never know say I could have behaved so. I wish mommy did there.
Tia. Ah, boy. Where you go to daddy and I tell him what you love him for and you already know how him behave and how him a go react. That man don't love you, you know. Him don't love you if you look on it, you know. Him don't love you, you know. And just because our father and I deal with Satan, make we have to deal with him. Because that man don't love we. Yeah, I wish mommy did there here and Lisa. Because when Lisa did there, things did much better, although it did kinda sticky, but it did much better than now. And me don't know what to think about mommy either. Because she should have think about we before she even run off. So if you look into it and realize, none of them don't really mean we not good enough. Them just a try to take shame out of them eye. If you say yes, them will kind of take care of it. Because them not do nothing. Him give you money,
$100.
$100. That cannot even pay with fear. How we gonna reach back? I don't know what to say. Honestly, I don't know what to say. But one thing though, daddy gonna realize what him do and it's go too late. I just don't want you put it on your head. I don't want you to stress out. Because Auntie Lisa said I must make sure say you're good before she left. And that me I go do. I go call my friend and ask her if she can lend me $1,000 we go and share it. I just don't want you put things on your head. Everything going alright. And even if daddy not love you, you know say me love you. Go and go put on your shoes and come. Me I come.
What I'm tell you? I want to say I go on and now, because I don't understand why we walk. We not go late enough.
But we need the money. And daddy, she go to daddy this morning and ask daddy for money and daddy give her $100. $200 in fact, $100 for she, $100 for me. And that can't do.
I don't know how to believe. I know your father dirty, you know, but I can't believe saying go so low. $100 for go to school? So how we do?
I miss you. And when things don't go good, honestly.
But you not eat and so.
Not to say,
When you get to go to school every day?
no.
I don't know, I really want to help you, but if I take you carry down here, your father gonna know me there and come find me and I can't come up there. And me a beg you, do not tell no father when me there.
No, we not do that.
I don't know what to say now. Hopefully things work out better. But if you don't need something, you can always call me. Always.
Well, me I tell you, Every day you get up a pressure, we say, we are going to kill him off one day and now we make you gone and we know which part of day. You see him there when you left, I don't know how it slip my mind to tell her, say, for 3 days straight under his cellar we asleep. Under the stairs.
Why?
If me never go upstairs, go beg him and say, Daddy, we not comfortable down here, so please make you come back. Would I probably still under there? So something we go through since you left. We hardly eat. If we eat in the morning, 1 spoon of rice, we not eat back probably next day or the day after. Look how my maga, look panty here.
I'm really sorry for hear all of this, but there's one thing I have to tell you, no matter what, do not disrespect your father. You understand what I say? Do not disrespect him.
try
But
so
bless
hard.
follow you. You hear me? Make him do what I do. In time go, you about karma. Karma serious, you know. Karma is very serious. You understand? And the future still bright. You look at time them when make you go to school, take in on you can take in. You understand?
Yeah.
When you come give me a hug, I'm gonna late. I love you.
Love you too.
Yeah, later.
Later.
You done cook?
No, I still don't cook. I chicken I will cut up. Are you hungry?
Yeah, cook.
Me have some pumpkin rice and curry chicken. You want that?
Yes.
Alright. I'll cut up the chicken now. So when me done, me call you.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
No, yo, hold on. Yo. So long there. No left no food for me. Me left you know you cook this morning and come back a empty pot.
You're right. You're right. When I leave, you see what I cook.
So hold
With
on there.
little pumpkin in there and a piece of chicken out. That could not even serve it to a winner, Daddy.
So hold on there. So that even nothing me couldn't get. Eh?
Daddy, how if you know say you gonna come back?
Lily girl, you provide nothing here? You no provide nothing here? Lily girl, me not tell you if you come out here and go get one man.
What kind of money you talk about, Daddy? See a little penny, you know, and me no want no man. What wrong with you? A year for make Lisa left, you know, and every day you get up and you blame me for we.
I rank with me. Eh? Me let Lisa left?
Yes, Daddy. Every day you get up, me tired of you. Every day you get up and blame the boy and we make
So
Lisa
long
left. And your dirty ways make Lisa gone left, and you need to accept that.
So long there. So because you smell your arm, now you feel like say you're a woman. You pick up flux. Eh? You turn woman in here. But me tell you this. Here? You know come out here. And if you don't provide nothing here, me I go stop providing it too. Cause I come like say me
But Daddy, you never did a provide, no.
what you mean me never did provide nothing? Eh? What you mean me never did provide nothing?
When
come
you're
like
gone
say,
at daytime, I always Lisa for you provide for you because you not bring nothing. All you do is sorry.
Listen to me. Me tired of you, you know. You see, for no dirty Jezebel, mama run away gone with man. And me alone have in here for you provide, you know. I want to just in here like a two big log before you go find one man or something. You can look for me. Let me tell you this, man. Me tired of you. I'm sorry if you know me take you back from under I said because me a sorry. And I saw no one come treat me in here. Like me a nobody.
Daddy, me can ask you one question.
Ask me what?
Why you decide to just cheat with bad and we not do nothing?
Treat you no bad. Treat you no bad. You don't notice say because I want to make Lisa gone. Eh?
But we not
What
doing.
thanks for me get for all of the things that me doing here? Eh? What thanks for me get? No ever look for me and give me nothing yet.
To be honest, Daddy, at least alone show love in a year before she go away.
Hey, no, me have to give you that sitting in your face. You mind how you chat to me. You come like say a prison no want me go. Eh? I never said no come here to contaminate me. Which party thanks for me get? If you not want me doing that so. Eh? You come like say a worst decision me make when me breed on mama. 2 condom could have prevent all of this, you know. Me could have in here by myself. I live happy. I live my life. If a investment when me invest in her mama, me no get it back. She gone. Even she gone a foreign now. She not one time take up the phone and try to reach out and get to no. Me no want to no feel like I say no man. I don't want to come in here so come stress me out, you know. Because when time when a woman run we gone, everything there in us upon me. And for uno, I come rank with me now. You know what? Let me come go about my business now. Because me now every day get up in here so I cuss like I say me I'm mad somebody.
All right, Maxwell. So we have the results from all the tests that we had conducted. So I need to give you an update regarding that. But I just wanted to find out if you had actually stopped drinking and smoking when you were taking the medication.
Me not gonna tell you no lie no doc. Me adjust a little bit not much. Just a little bit.
Maxwell, we had spoken about this before, you know.
No man, that man. I don't know.
You're not
Me
taking it
kinda cut
seriously.
me kinda cut down that man.
And right now, based on
Me think me know what happened to me, you know.
really, enlighten me.
That. Me have 2 little girl up on me yard there. Where a them alone cook for me that. And me notice every time I go home, after me eat the food, me start a cough up. Cough. Me still a cough. And it even a get worse, you know that. It even a get worse.
Maxwell,
Sometimes I feel a little pain down here so.
Maxwell, that is because you're not listening. Did I not tell you to stop the smoking and stop the drinking? After you eat, do you drink?
Uh, probably one beer.
Maxwell. Look. All right, so your results, right? All right, so there's no easy way to discuss this with you. So I'm going to ask you to brace yourself because based on the results that we have here, it is indicating to us that you have cancer.
No, I say that man. No man, don't say that man. Me not cancer man. Don't say that man.
Maxwell,
Doc, you
you
are
have
a
to
very
listen to me, you know.
Doc, listen to me. You're a very nice lady. Me respect you and everything, but nobody can try to disrespect me now, telling me that me have cancer. Don't do it, Doc.
Maxwell, you have to listen to me. You have pancreatic cancer based on the results that we have checked and all the tests that we did conduct, right?
Pancreatic cancer, doctor. What kind of cancer that there?
Pancreatic cancer, all right?
Who-
So it's as a result of all the smoking and the drinking that you've been doing over the years. It has damaged your pancreas, and as a result, now you have pancreatic cancer. So we can discuss treatments and different plans that you can go on, but the The situation is that you're currently at a stage 4.
I mean stage 4, doc.
Stage 4 means that it's at an extreme level where it's detrimental. Basically, it's detrimental at this stage, right? So I don't know how much chemo can help you or anything else because it is at the worst stage possible, and there's a possibility that it can lead to death, right? It's at the stage where it's hard for us to do anything about reversing it.
You sure say I've my name result this?
Maxwell Muir, is it that your name? Yes.
Say at first me did believe in it and thing until you come tell me this. Me don't feel like say you know what you're doing.
Maxwell, you know better than this, you know? You know better than this.
Patriotic cancer.
Maxwell, we'll need to see how well we can work on some form of treatment plan. You need to come back in. We can discuss what we can do to see how we can go about saving your life, if that's even possible at this stage, because things are not looking well. Maxwell, I understand this is hard for you, you know. I understand this is really hard for you to hear right now.
I don't believe nothing what you said, doc. I go come go away.
Maxwell, I understand the denial, you know. But we can at least discuss some specialists that you can go to see what we can do about saving your life, at least trying. All right? Please don't take it lightly.
So when me for come back, doc?
I'll schedule an appointment for you and I'll give you a phone call. But it will be extremely soon. All right? So currently at the moment, I don't know, perhaps I can even fit you in tomorrow, you know? I think we can fit you in tomorrow. All right? Tomorrow at 3 p.m.
Doc, with all due respect, me go come go away.
Maxwell,
Yeah?
are you coming back tomorrow at 3?
No, man, I think me come back. I not think you know what you say. At this point, me really not think you know what you say. Like, me literally, you talk a while ago, I'm literally blackout. Me no hear nothing what you say a while ago.
Maxwell, I understand this is hard. It is extremely hard to hear this.
Miss Reddy,
But
look,
denial will not make it go away.
look more. Later.
Maxwell.
Later.
Jesus.
Daddy, I want to you.
If a girl ask me nothing, man.
What you mean?
I wish one of them try poison me. Eh?
What you mean, Ushana, we are trying to poison you?
A doctor may I come from and then run some tests. But me not get back the result yet. And me feel like I say I want to know I try poison me. I what? I kill no one kill me fi get my place. Eh? Am I dead left for no one? Eh?
Daddy, me not understand. You just come and not dash some information. What you mean we are trying to poison you? Me not even know first step in. You know if you poison somebody?
Who else may I eat from? But no you some me eat. Eh? No you some me eat.
But you're there road every day, Daddy. And you drink and you smoke. See, and expect you that gonna have one side effect, Daddy?
Let me tell you this. If me ever find out say none of two and one traffic fi do me nothing. So you no run with Lisa there. No you come like say I kill no and kill me fi get the place. That was the plan from to begin with. Eh?
You know left off a Lisa situation. Daddy, you need to accept the fact say I do run a Lisa, me not stop say that. You need to accept the fact say you run a Lisa. Watch it. You see what I mean? Himself no good, he's sick and he's still a drink. No say me no sorry for you, and me no sorry for you. Because you're sick and look where you still a do.
Are you why you put it there?
Me so I could never me buy it.
I might have give you a chair in your face too.
But you're sick and you see you got a doctor. You know what out for you and what to you before you drink and not smoke?
Let me tell you this. Nobody worry about for me drinking. I don't know I stress me out.
Daddy, I want to you. Daddy. Daddy. Warm to him. Daddy. Jesus Christ. Daddy. Daddy. Jesus Christ.
Left belly. Left belly.
Warm to you.
Move faster, man. Left. You gotta clean up the place, sir.
We must be saying what we
Clean up it.
Where we go to find Lisa and tell Lisa this because I can't mother. Lisa! Lisa!
What?
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
How are you doing here now?
Hurry up, hurry up. Tell him.
Daddy come home since evening saying God doctor. And I tell we say doctor do test on something and he thinks so we poison him because he not feel good, he come in and rub him belly and everything. Say doctor run test and he feel like say we poison him. I saw something and he start cough up blood. You know when we check up on him and nothing, we left him lie down in a room.
Me not telling you, sir, where it not concern Uno or me, Uno not to come to me.
But this urgent.
Are you sick? You feel pain? So where you come to me with Maxine name for?
Because
Me not telling you, sir, me don't have nothing to do with no daddy. If I know you want something with your sister, Uno not to come down here, and that me say. So what you bring Maxine name to me for?
But this urgent.
Yeah, me I say it not concern you, it not concern your sister. Why you bringing name to me? I don't care. Me no business.
I true we know nobody else to turn to, you know. And you know it's a friend of must speak blood a serious situation.
So why you never run go over run bar when friend in there?
Please, don't be so hard. Please. Just go and see if you're alright, please.
Me really not want to come back up at the house then and Kelsey.
Please, no, just do this for we, please. Please.
What want to say to him?
He just come in as social with poison him because he got that.
You say your daddy evil?
And then all of a sudden he just starts spit out blood. Just come on now, please.
And because of Uno, you know? Because of Uno. Uno not bother come, just wait out here, so. Maxie.
Lisa, what happened? What happened?
Me I got.
Tell no?
There is no easy way for this to say this, but it look like your father there.
What?
Listen. Oh God. Listen to me, Kelsey. Listen to me. Come here. Listen. I promise I'm not gonna leave on us. I promise. Listen to me. I promise I'm not gonna leave on the side. I'm sorry somebody have to leave. I'm sorry all things turn out, but I'm not. I promise you. Now. Listen to me, Kelsey.
We are going to know.
I forgot to call the ambulance. Did you call somebody?
No.
Hello? I have an emergency at 21 Petersfield Avenue. Oh, 21, yes. Thank you. I am so sorry so long I go through this. I'm really sorry. I promise everything will be alright. And there's nothing we can say to make this right. There's nothing we can say to make this better. The most we can say is I'm not ever leave this side again. Kelsey, this I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Thank you. Thanks.
When you not have to worry about saving the money, because I realize because father did a cheat, so bad every day when you come back with money, you not have to do that. Right?
Yeah.
Right. I mean, I say, I'm really sorry about when father passing. Me can't apologize no more. I'm really sorry. Telling us that I'm gonna make you alright, I mean it. I'm really sorry about father again. But you not get better off. It's sad, but you not get better off. You understand?
Yeah. And I really want to thank you too because you never did have to do this. You could have lived for suffer, but you take it up in your hands and say you're going to take care of it. And I thank you for that. I thank you for being there for us from day one.
Right.
Because you can count to your finger the most as stepmother would have did this what you actually do for me. I promise you, we're going to go to school, we're going to do our best, and we're going to make you proud.
That more right here. Thank you, me. If you never get old. Love you now.
Love you later.
Yeah.
Come, do this. Wait, wait. Don't you love you like I love you. Wait. They don't love you like I love you. Come. See?
Yeah, going good. Yeah, going good. Very good. Come again. Alright, come again.
Wait. Alright.
Make sure when you come down, you get some food. For a problem.
What? No, just wait until so. What else can you, Bruce? Jamie, looks so sad. Look at she come up. No, I'm really sorry about her father passing, guys. Jamie actually sorry about her father passing, guys.
So me, I go send her last one. I want to go out here. I want to go send her to but you have a time already. But in her head, me, I go tell her.
I want to all that. So you're also.
Why you heart a beat?
I don't cast this for anyone Lisa and still there. But I want burden. All no one there sung for Anya. All no one go take some only to now. All no one go so. Yeah. Take us all the look how hard me what can I work with you?
Not even walk.
I want to make Lisa come on type. Come again. Listen to me, you know something I like, you know? When the Wi-Fi no come out here and go get one man or something.
What?
Wi-Fi?
Take him on the kind of you understand? You can't give me a hug when I because I said cut.
Yeah. The hug. The hug.
Shush now?
Since she gone a foreign, you know, we not one day yet. And me alone have been here, you know. I'll no one not tell me thanks. You look ungrateful wretch. Come on, sir. Come on, sir.
Hey boy. I don't see how Let's sit there until I
After done with them, what is that? You just come out. And stop. Alcan, not necessarily lick them, but show and lick them anger. You know what I'm saying? After when you're done with them, you want to lick them anger.
Alright.
What did you say? What did you say?
Alcan, what we can do, we can also establish what the reason why it was still like this. Then mom, the word will let you kind of be saying of your own. You understand? So we can also get to ask you why only that feeling.
What did I provide? No.
Alcan, why you say things? They come like a biggest mistake we make. When we tell them so we can't come back in our house. And take them from under his stairs.
A year for make what's your name?
Lisa.
Go again.
A gang no one gang me now.
No, it's a gang part. Oh, we don't pick up flux. Yeah man, sit up on the other say. Oh, we don't pick up flux in here. Oh. Come on, turn man. Wait, no, come on.
I want to you.
Don't touch me, don't. I'll nearly broke my neck.
You never got it. Hey, where my belt? Where my belt? Go for me. Go for me belt. Go for me belt. Find me belt, give me. Find me belt. Yeah, what? You go for you too. You know some police.
No, if you go for it when you come on that you can't find the belt.
Boy, you have to catch him hide the belt. I hide the belt.
Which part?
You know. Where's my belt?
No, but don't see a belt. Which part you go?
So come up, man.
Sit down, I want to talk to you.
Lisa, I ain't talk about this already, so you put me in there, so you can't talk to me in front of them. We are getting there.
That was good. So what more if you say things say no? We have to tell you again. You don't call on him.
You ever wonder how me eat all them something? How me survive? Look when me talk to you. How me survive? You know how rent pay? Huh?
Daddy, you know sister, you have some blood warm to you. So that real? No, the coffee, no, I thought I was going in. I'm wish,
Lisa.
Alright, come. Ready? 71. Just don't worry yourself, I'm gonna fix things. Where is it?
Your friend for expose now, man.
I know I'm not going to deal with me with disrespect. I only met Lisa left here, you know. Little girl, not chat to me, you know.
I'm not doing nothing, you know.
Hey, girl, I'm
might have take me and box and cross your face, girl. How you chat to me? Hey! Little girl, let me make you. What's him say?
Girl.
You want little girl?
Don't make me kick you down. Hey, girl.
That's not easy. Listen to me. Me know when you feel like I say you can't come. Rank with me. In yourself. With me.
I don't feel carry the belt today. You just lift her up on her mouth like what you did last time.
No man, I think me have come back. I not think you know what I say. At this point, me really not think you know what I say. Like, me literally, you talk a while ago, I'm literally blackout.
Poor thing.
I didn't told Lily girl me ever put me on that and try to poison me, man. I don't.
If you never know, now you know. We not only do movies, we do any form of photo and videography service at Richard Brown Films. And if you have family members that can't attend your event, we will live stream it for you. So if you're in need of a professional video or photographer, reach out to us, man. Our number is on the screen and you'll have a chance to meet some of your favorite actor and actresses at your event. So reach out to us, man, Richard Brown Films, and we can provide professional photo and videography service for you.
Hi, my name is Richard Brown, and if you're new to the channel, I want you to subscribe and I want you to share the video up with your friends. Because you don't know, the only way the video can get a whole heap of views and reach a lot of people is if you share the video up and if you subscribe, comment, and do all the things them were necessary for the video reach its fullest potential. I'm going to do the ending. Alright, I guess you watched the video to the end, so I want to say thank you very much for watching thus far. But firstly, I want to say violence against women, violence against kids, violence against men is never something that is right. And it's not something that we support. So this film is just highlighting some of the issues that people have as it pertains to relationship. And we're just trying to sensitize people to let you know that, listen, once you're in a situation and before it actually get to the violent part and you see the red flags, get yourself out of that situation there because it can cause death. So we're just trying to bring in some highlight to the whole situation. So violence is never something cool. All right, so let's get down to the business now. All right, so you've been on see where some of them shirts, yeah, Richard Brown Films, they are now available for purchase. So if you see them, you like a specific shirt, you like a specific size, and you want to purchase it, link us up on Instagram, Richard Brown Films, and we can make some arrangement, and you can just make some arrangement, send the money to us, and we mail the shirt off to you. All right, and also, we are almost at 200,000 subscribers, and to be honest, the feeling feels so good that, first of all, we are putting in so much work, and it'll pay off. Almost there 200,000 subscribers. We plan to keep a party next month to celebrate the 200 landmark and just enjoy and bask in the glory of the hard work that we've been putting in. Me couldn't do it by myself. It take all the people that were involved from day one until now to get us here. So I want to say thank you to all of the people who subscribe, the person who been a part of the production, who help us reach us. So thank you very much. Our aim is to develop the film industry in Jamaica. And we can't do it by ourselves. It's going to take only the subscribers and the people who love the vibe, love the culture, and love what we are doing and want to see Jamaica get better. It's going to take one. So continue to show support, whether if you link us up and send us financial support, thank you. And if you just share the video up, thank you also. You don't know, it's greatly appreciated. So big up on yourself, continue to show love and support while we continue to do what we are doing. So big up on yourself.